nice sweep. Oh, another nice punch, but nice shot. Nice shot again. Oh, that was a nice shot by Surya. So now we have the featherweight amateur bout coming up, and we've got Surya Negi versus Siddharth Dhammi. And now, Siddharth Dhammi was the 2019 IMA featherweight champion, so this guy's got a lot of amateur experience as well. Really good grappler, and he's going to be definitely looking for submissions, yeah, I think.
Ladies and gentlemen, making his way to the cage, Siddharth Singh Dhammi!
सिद्धार्थ सिंह धामी आ रहे हैं केज की तरफ। लास्ट एमएफएन में ये अपनी फाइट जीते थे और ये भी एक ग्रैपलर हैं। इनका बैकग्राउंड भी बीजेजे का काफी सॉलिड है। एंड्रू, मैं एक चीज पूछना चाहता हूं आपसे, अगर एक फाइटर जीत के आ रहा है, पिछली फाइट जीता है, उसको मेंटली कितना फर्क पड़ता है उससे? If somebody has been winning, does that boost up his confidence? Does that make a difference in the cage?
Oh, absolutely. It completely does. When you win a fight, you feel invincible, right? Like you've just beaten somebody else. So the minute you go to the next fight, you already have that mindset in.
Looks ferocious.
Yeah, he's looking to put on a show. It's very clear he's looking to put on a show.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Surya Negi!
क्या अच्छा डिस्प्ले है स्ट्राइकिंग का। मुझे लग रहा है ये स्ट्राइकर वर्सेस ग्रैपलर मैच होने वाला है, एंड्रू।
Yeah, I think that there's going to be a striker versus grappler match as well. Siddharth Negi looks ready, came out throwing kicks, and you can clearly see the guy's got a good striking base as well.
राउंडेड फाइटर है जो सिद्धार्थ धामी के साथ ग्रैपलिंग भी कर सकता है कुछ हद तक।
Oh yeah, absolutely. I think he's gonna look to try and grapple with him just to prove a point.
आई होप वो पॉइंट प्रूव करने के चक्कर में फाइट ना हार जाए।
Ladies and gentlemen, first we introduce the blue corner. Weighing in at 65 kilograms and standing at 5 feet 7 inches tall. Hailing from Uttarakhand, give it up for Siddharth Singh Dhammi! And his opponent fighting out of the red corner. This fighter stands at 5 feet 10 inches tall and weighed in at 65 kilograms. Fighting out of Uttarakhand, make some noise for Surya Negi! And ladies and gentlemen, as the action begins, the referee for the fight, Abhishek Bisht.
Fighters, you know all rules. No elbow, no knee on the face, no back of the head. Okay, I say fight, fight. I say stop, stop. Touch the gloves, go to your corner.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we've got the second fight of the night in the amateur card. This is Surya Negi versus Siddharth Singh Dhammi. Oh, it's going to be a fantastic fight, Manan.
बहुत मजा आने वाला है। सिद्धार्थ बहुत स्टाइल मारते हुए अंदर घुसे हैं केज में। अब देखते हैं can he back his style up with some action.
Oh yeah, that's the main thing. If he can back his brash personality with his action, and nice spinning back kick that he throws. Oh, and here again, that's what I was worried about. But then again, this is fantastic actually, Manan, because Surya Negi just pulled guard again. Didn't pull guard, sorry. He basically re-guarded. So he was in a bad position. He was in a half guard position, and he re-guarded and got him back in guard. What Siddharth needs to do right now is clear his legs. As soon as he clears his legs, which is what he's done to one leg now he's moving to side control. But fantastic work from Surya again to re-guard. Good defense, very, very good defense on the ground.
सूर्या बहुत अच्छा डिफेंड कर रहा है एंड्रू ग्राउंड पे। ये एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं था।
Oh yeah, exactly. I didn't expect him to defend so well, but the guy clearly has been training. Oh, that was a nice sweep, and oh, he's attempting an armbar. He's attempting an armbar. Nice work by Siddharth to escape. Oh, and he cracks Surya. His knee slice passes him. And again he re-guards. I'm telling you, Manan, Surya's got some really, really good defensive grappling, yeah?
मुझे लगता है अभी सिद्धार्थ को ना एक सेकंड पहले ही पता चला है कि बेटा यहाँ ग्रैपलिंग इतनी आसानी से चलेगी।
हाँ,
सामने वाले को भी आता है कुछ।
He's realizing that maybe his grappling base is just not enough to sort of just one thing to beat the fight, to win the fight. So what he needs to do right now is he needs to stand up and break Surya's guard. As soon as he breaks his guard, he can then start passing it. But right now he's just staying there. If he at least again he needs to like at least pull his hand out and start punching Surya.
बिल्कुल, सिद्धार्थ के पास एक अच्छी पोजीशन है, अगर वो कुछ करे यहाँ पे तो उसको पॉइंट्स मिल सकते हैं, ये राउंड मिल सकता है, बट ही इज नॉट डूइंग एज मच एज ही शुड.
Yeah, he's not doing as much as he should. And the
Back
referee
of
has
the
just, referee has just warned Surya not to hit Siddharth the back of the head. Siddharth has to do much more than this, otherwise this is going to be just a neutral round.
और न्यूट्रल राउंड के अलावा सूर्या ने बीच में एक आर्म बार का बहुत अच्छा अटेम्प्ट भी किया था.
Absolutely, his armbar attempt was not bad. Like what he needed to do was get the 1 foot over the face. If he had gotten that, then maybe he could have gotten the armbar. But right now, he's just stuck at the bottom, taking punches from Siddharth. He needs to try getting up as well. Maybe put his feet up against Siddharth's hips and push him away so he can stand back up. Nice leg kick. Again, right now, to be fair though, Siddharth is winning this fight.
बिल्कुल, सिद्धार्थ डोमिनेट कर रहे हैं, सूर्या के ऊपर हैं, पंचेस मार रहे हैं, किक्स मार रहे हैं.
For people who don't know, the fighter on top is generally winning because he's got control of the fight. As you can see right now, Siddharth is on top of Surya, and if he just decides to stand up and rain down shots, that will definitely seal him the round.
सही बात है, जो फाइटर ऊपर होता है अक्सर वही फाइट जीत रहा होता है. और ये राउंड खत्म होने वाला है एंड्रू.
I'm excited to see the second round. I want to see if Siddharth actually deals with Surya's defensive grappling and tries to pass his guard.
बिल्कुल, ये देखने में बहुत मजा आएगा. हेवी शॉट्स नहीं मारे हैं.
Yeah, I think he could be also saving his energy for the second and third fight. I want to see if Siddharth is able to pass Surya's guard or not, unless you pass the guard. Once you get to half guard, you can hold him down. The half guard means you've only got one leg. So punch him.
और अब ये दूसरा राउंड शुरू होने जा रहा है. सूर्या और सिद्धार्थ दोनों ही एकदम एनर्जेटिक और एक्टिव लग रहे हैं. घुसते ही किक्स.
That was a nice leg kick by Siddharth. Surya's both of these guys are looking fresh. That was another nice leg kick.
बढ़िया एकदम.
Another nice leg kick. Oh, another nice punch. He's got the leg. That was a really nice angle that he took. Siddharth is fighting really
यहाँ
well.
तक आवाज सुनाई दे रही है.
Oh yeah, it's sounding really hard. These kicks are very hard. I don't think he's going to be able to take more than 5-6 of them.
बिल्कुल, मुझे ऑलरेडी उसकी लात थोड़ी लाल होती हुई नजर आ रही है.
Yeah, as you can see we can definitely see on the screen that his leg is definitely red. He's taken a couple of shots and Siddharth
और
takes
ये
him down
takedown.
again. Surya he tried to sweep him, but exactly, this is what I was talking about. He needed to essentially pass his guard. Surya looks like he has a guillotine here, but unless he can re-guard, he's not going to get the submission. Siddharth is fine here. He's fine. He's absolutely fine.
बिल्कुल, मैं एक चीज बताना चाहता हूँ लोगों को जो ये देख रहे हैं कि सिर्फ इंसान की गर्दन पकड़ लेने से कुछ नहीं होता.
He's going to pop his head out right now. He's fighting the hands. Very smart fight from Siddharth. Very smart. He's fighting the hands and he's out. As you can see, Surya didn't have his hands connected. This is what I was talking about when I say half guard. This exact position, Manan.
बिल्कुल, इसमें एक टांग सिद्धार्थ की सूर्या की दोनों टांगों के बीच में है. इसे हाफ गार्ड बोलते हैं और इसे फुल गार्ड बोलते हैं जब दोनों टांगे बीच में हो.
Exactly, and this is what I was talking about Surya's defensive grappling as well. He's very good at defensive grappling. Anytime Siddharth manages to get any dominant position on him, he re-guards and puts him back in a neutral position. Fantastic work.
But Andrew, प्रॉब्लम ये है कि गार्ड में रहने से आप फाइट नहीं जीतोगे ना.
Yes, correct. Being in guard doesn't mean you're winning a fight. And he's taking a few shots from the top as well. Although his defensive grappling is pretty good, but he just keeps getting taken down and you're not winning fights like that.
उससे तो सारे पॉइंट सिद्धार्थ को मिलेंगे. अगर
Yes.
आप ग्राउंड पे आ गए और आप गार्ड में हो तो जीत तो आपका अपोनेंट ही रहा है ना फिर भी.
Absolutely. No, basically if Siddharth has taken him down means he's taken him down to and control the fight. But right now he's trying to get him in an armbar and again he needs to get his right foot over the face of Siddharth. That way he can use the leverage from his foot to extend his arm. But
इस
he's
बार
got back to guard.
भी इस बार भी सेम रीजन की वजह से आर्म बार नहीं मिली उसको.
Yes, correct. The same reason. Siddharth is chilling in his guard right now. He needs to be a little bit more active. That's the only way you can say that you can win a fight. Be a little bit more active. Put on some damage on your opponent. Throw some strikes.
बिल्कुल, मैं सिद्धार्थ से एक्सपेक्ट करता हूँ कि वो कुछ दिखाए हमें यहाँ पे. पंचेस मारे, कुछ सबमिशन की कोशिश करे, बट ज़्यादा कुछ देखने को नहीं मिल रहा है.
To be fair, Surya is throwing more punches from the bottom. And he's doing the right thing. He needs to basically put his feet against Siddharth's hips, push him away and stand up. Because as of right now, Siddharth is on top, controlling and dominating the round.
बिल्कुल एंड्रू, अगर पूरी फाइट में सिद्धार्थ ऐसे ही रहे और थोड़े बहुत पंचेस मारते रहे तो उसको फाइट मिल जाएगी, वो फाइट जीत जाएगा. सेकंड राउंड भी ओवर हो गया.
Absolutely correct, and correct. Even if he's just taking him down and holding him down, right? That means you've initiated the action. Therefore, you should be winning the fight. Pace it would have been over then, or at least it would have been led to a closer submission.
इंटरेस्टिंगली सूर्या ज़्यादा सबमिशन अटेम्प्ट्स कर चुका है नीचे से. अभी जो हम फाइट्स देख रहे हैं वो फाइटर्स स्ट्राइकर्स भी हैं, ग्रैपलर्स भी हैं, दे आर वेल राउंडेड. और ये तीसरा और फाइनल राउंड शुरू होने जा रहा है एंड्रू.
Yes, this is the final round. And as I said before, Surya needs to really take it to Siddharth to win this fight. They both start, Siddharth comes out, he takes... Do you think... I think Surya looks a little tired, doesn't he?
I was actually going to say Siddharth looks a little tired.
But he came running out, like, and Siddharth looks like he's got a little bit of, gusto in him right now.
अब ये तो
Nice leg
राउंड
kick.
खत्म होने के बाद ही पता चलेगा.
Oh, nice shot. Nice shot again, he takes him down again. This is the danger about leg kicks,
और इस बार सिद्धार्थ खुद ही पीछे हो गया.
Very surprising that Siddharth let him up. Maybe he thought he could beat him striking, who knows. There he is, nice right
I
hand.
don't think सिद्धार्थ को एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन करनी चाहिए. वो एक स्ट्रैटेजी से जीत रहा है. He should just stick to that strategy.
I tend to agree with that assessment. If you have a winning strategy, stick to the strategy. I think that pays off in the long run.
And it's already working for him.
Yeah, it clearly was working for him. I mean, if we were judging the fights, I think he would have won the first 2 rounds.
बिल्कुल.
But we're not the fights, so we're not the judges.
और बहुत बढ़िया
Oh, that was a nice shot by Surya. Oh, they're throwing leather.
ये.
Oh, absolute nice uppercut by
Street
Surya.
fight
Nice
बन गई.
knee. Oh, nice right hand. Oh, fantastic right hand by Surya again.
क्या घूसे
Oh,
चल
this
रहे
is
हैं.
total rock'em sock'em robots, as they say.
मजा आ गया.
Fantastic work.
बीच में सिद्धार्थ का स्वे बैक देखा था.
Yes, exactly. Oh, look at him. These guys are both going at it now. Uppercuts galore. Another knee to the body. Surya could easily get a body lock here and take him down. He should not be he should not be grabbing his shots though.
चलो ये तो अच्छा ही हुआ. थर्ड राउंड में थोड़ी स्ट्राइकिंग देखने को मिली.
It does look like oh, that was a nice body shot. That was a really nice body shot by Surya.
ऐसा लग रहा है ये दोनों थर्ड राउंड में ये बोल के घुसे एक दूसरे को कि इस बार स्ट्राइकिंग करते हैं.
This reminds me a lot of fights abroad where these guys point to the ring and just go at it, like, and it clearly is. Again, these guys are throwing down. But Siddharth gets the takedown again, and this is what I was talking about. If you have a winning strategy, why not continue with it? Smart.
बिल्कुल. सिद्धार्थ को लगा कि चलो हो गया बहुत, अब वापस चलते हैं ग्राउंड पे और इस गेम को जीतते हैं.
Correct. And see, again, he's put him in half guard and he's holding him down. It's very difficult to get up from this position if you don't know the technical escape. But Surya's doing a fantastic job. He's re-guarded again and he's put Siddharth in a neutral position. It's a very tough fight for both guys.
बट सूर्या को कुछ करना चाहिए क्योंकि मेरे हिसाब से फाइट में अभी भी सिद्धार्थ ही अब चल रहा है.
Yes, correct. Right now, even though Siddharth isn't doing much, he's still winning the fight through control, right? Because that's one of the judging criteria that they have, control.
Absolutely.
You can see he's opening up his hips to try another armbar. He's shifting his hips there. He's going to try another armbar, but it's not going to happen because he's too close to the cage. He has nowhere to swivel and turn.
और
Siddharth lets him up and tries to take him down again.
सिर्फ 10 सेकंड बचे हैं.
Last 10 seconds. Who knows who's going to take this? Oh, nice takedown by Siddharth again.
सूर्या कुछ मारने की कोशिश कर रहा है बट उससे कोई फायदा नहीं हो रहा. राउंड्स ओवर.
It's very clear that Siddharth has a much better wrestling game and he kind of implemented that to take the win. Fantastic fight by both fighters. Fantastic fight.
बिल्कुल. मेरे हिसाब से सिद्धार्थ जीत गया ये फाइट और he stuck to his game plan.
Yeah, correct. He stuck to his game plan completely. He was going to wrestle this guy and he wrestled him to the ground for all 3 rounds. Fantastic fight by Siddharth and by Surya.
आपको फाइटर बनना है तो आपके अंदर स्टाइल तो होना चाहिए.
Absolutely. You got to be a gangster, man. You got to be a gangster.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds, we go to the judges for decision. And the winner by a unanimous decision from the blue corner, Siddharth Singh Dame.
Absolutely excellent fight. And I was telling you, Manan, just his control and his takedowns and his grappling won him the fight. And it's clear the guy was a grappling champion.